Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the ruler's origin and orientation within FlexiPRINT. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we head into the program here, like I mentioned in the intro, we're going to be looking at the origin and orientation of the ruler. And in order to do that, first of all, we need our ruler visible. Like we showed in the previous one, you can go view, show ruler. And then now that it's visible, now what I want to do is go on the ruler again, like we did in our more advanced section to set the units. We're going to right click, then we're going to choose this option, ruler and grid. Then under the first tab here, you can see we've got ruler, and then our first option is origin. Now this will be the origin of X and Y. So if you wanted to, you could always set custom values here depending on your workflow, and then maybe just look what's the default, make a note somewhere so that you at least know what's the default settings if you need to set it back. But yeah, so that is it on the origin, kind of where the origin is located. And then under that, we've got orientation. So this will be kind of which way is your ruler orientated. It's not going to necessarily change where the location of the top and the left ruler is, but rather the measurements. So at the moment, we can see our orientation is set to the top left corner or upper left corner. If I zoom here, you can see we've got 0 on the top on the left and 0 on the top left. Now if I had to, let's say we flip that around, go to the, well, let's go completely opposite. So I'm going to go lower right origin. Now you'll see the values as updated here by the origin itself, because now it is taking a preset one. And if I say OK, you should notice the ruler now should make this one 0 and around here somewhere 0. So let's say OK, and now we can see now it's updated, 0 on top, 0 at the bottom. So depending on the way your cutter is set up and your material you're using, you might want to adjust these. But yeah, I'm just going to set mine back to the top left corner and say OK, set that back to what I'm used to. And now obviously, like I mentioned, this is going to vary depending on your workflow and that. So play around it, but if you have to get it, just a quick recap, make sure your ruler is visible. And once it is, you can right click the ruler, then you click the ruler and grid, and then we can set the origin under the first option and the orientation under the second. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate the search or your search on the top right here. If you do not, however, find the training video you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.